my usual 20 minutes on the way into work trip is going to be an hour long to get home. 3 times the amount that it is in the morning. They said construction is supposed to be done this month. We do still have like a week and a half or 2 weeks, whatever, left. But it's like, come on. This construction has been going on since before me and Josh even knew each other. So, yeah. I'm just ready to get home. This week has been long, and I'm really tired. So I'm just heading home. I'm gonna go get groceries and hopefully remember to look at my grocery list while I am shopping, because I'm really good, I am really good at getting a grocery list together, having everything that I need written down, and then just forgetting to look at it when I'm in the grocery store. So, I don't know why, but I do that like almost every single time. So hopefully I look at it and get what I need. And then of course I'll get random crap I don't need. But yeah. Happy Friday to ya. Hope you had a good week and an even better weekend. Did you want to say something? Did you want to say something? He's getting excited. I think it's like almost 8. I don't know. Been lazy. But it's really, really nice out. It's a little cloudy, little gloomy, but it's nice. It's like, it's like in the 70s, low 70s. So currently the windows, the 2 whole windows, I think we only have 2 that have screens in the whole house, are open. And while I was at Walmart earlier, I got this. I don't know if you can read it. It's probably backwards. Hold please. Apple pumpkin. And it smells like fall in here. It smells like fall, you pups. But yeah, the windows, the whole 2 windows are open. That one and then that one are open. And these 2 are insane. You guys already knew that. Will you be nice to your brother? It's impossible. Kissy, kissy! Kissy, kissy! Gosh, he moves so fast. But yeah, I just was picking up. I'm trying to talk to the people on the freaking internet. So I started cleaning in here a little bit. And I got the boys, they don't know yet. I got them these little meals today. But I cleaned up in here. Besides dishes. Jesus. And then I just gotta clean in here a little bit. I'm a little messy. Doesn't help that I have these 2. Gus always has to have all of his toys all over the place.
We're watching one of Chrissy's old home movies. That's her right there. Boys are entertained by one thing. damn phone. That was it. I don't know why he responds only to cows mooing. I think it might be because it's such a low frequency, but at the same time, he could have been a farm doggy. I think he'd be a good farm dog.
Mm-hmm.
Very loyal, very, wouldn't be a good honey dog.
Guess you're a dumb doggy, huh?
Yes.
You're so cute though. And action.
People of YouTube, look at this shit. Isn't that cool?
Proud of you.
I've never opened a can like this.
Don't let them scratch their tongues. And I'm boiling some wieners.
Because it'll come out of this chunk and it's just liquid. Let's watch. Watch my. Oh! Yep. You guys excited? Yeah. So our plumbing is a little off. Stuff won't drain properly. So we have Roto-Rooter out here. See if they can fix it. We'll check back in when we're done. Bye. Simon.
Hey guys, so I don't know if Josh has told you anything about what's been going on. Basically craziness. We've known that like the drains and stuff have been a little bit backed up over the past couple days, but we didn't know that they were pretty much completely clogged. We had this problem right after we moved in here with our washer and dryer, because water was flowing in from the wall where the water was draining from the washer. But when I've been taking showers and stuff, it backs up a little bit. But this week it's been where there's just like an inch or so of water in there.
What's up, everybody? First off, my mom got me this shirt. Don't be a rooster lollipop. I think you know what that really means. Oh, that's funny. Anyway, so Kirsty said she gave you guys a little update. I'm gonna give you another one, just to be safe. So, guy left. Really good guy. I mean, this guy, man, he could talk. Him and I were talking a lot. So, what's gonna happen is, what happened is we've got a pipe that is about this big around, is blocked up, and they're going to send a jet of water through there. They're gonna fix it up, and they're gonna fix it for us. Why? I'm just looking for something real quick. But anyway, they're gonna fix it tomorrow, technically today. So, good deal, good deal. But I want to give you an update. What's up, monkey fighters? So, we are on our way to the grocery store. I have to go to the bathroom really bad, and this, that, and the other. We have to get groceries, the main thing. We had to get a loan for this one, for this, and I got approved. I got approved for like almost $4,000 more than what we needed to get it for. So that's cool. I'll deal with that when I get back. So we're feeling extra good today. I just wanted to let you know, get you updated, and yeah, that's all that's going on right now. I love that one. What's up? Watch. Oh, that's you at the fair. But
Stop putting him up there.
stop putting him up there.
One day he gonna just say fuck it and come down. And put
Boy.
his head where
I hate that. So fake. I'm making lunch, burgers with garlic butter. Oh my gosh. There's the boys.
So, I am driving home right now. I had to drive all the way to Kroger, which is not that far, it's like 2 blocks, but I had to drive down to Kroger to use the bathroom. I don't know, like, they're coming out to fix it, like, they should be there right now, actually. But it's gonna get taken care of today. Should be done by 8 o'clock. Well, maybe 9 o'clock. But yeah, man, it's getting taken care of. Just, it's gonna be expensive, but it'll work. It'll be all right. It might mean that these vlogs get put on hold. We're seeing a lot more ashamed of Alyssa, because I might be working more, but him and I work that out. But anyway, that's all that's going on right now, man. Just, it doesn't look like there's anybody here, so, damn. We'll see.
What's she doing?
Taking a shower.
Try again.
Getting dressed.
What's up, everybody? Christy is wearing 0 clothes right now. Well, 0 unless you count the fact that she's wearing a pair of pants and a sports bra. Anyway, the guys are out there right now digging, so that's going. We're waiting. Whatever. I'm staying up till at least 2 in the morning because that's what time I usually go to bed. Anyway, you almost saw our titties. Anyway, so thank you for watching. We hope you liked it. And like I said, I'm gonna be working a lot more, so might not be seeing as much of us, but it won't be for very long. And in case you can't tell by my glistening forehead, it is 81 degrees in here.
And it's set to 73.
Set at 73. We usually set at 69.
No.
I always do. But anyway, so yeah, anyway, I'm rambling. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, comment, favorite, blah blah blah. And yeah, that's a wrap. Bonus clip. Everything's done. Should be good to go. The guy who's going to jet the line is going to shoot water into it to clear it out. It's going to be here. He may be here tonight. He may be here tomorrow. But
I thought we still weren't supposed to do it until
he
that
said we're good to
happens.
go. So we're going to all find out together. Yeah. All right.
I'm getting nervous.
We'll find out either way.
Yeah, there's our pretty tile in our shower. It's pretty. Almost as pretty as that man sitting there. Yeah.
Still want to finish the movie though.
Yeah.
We're watching Deadpool 2.
Yeah.
What do you think of it so far?
I like it. Not much. Well, a lot's gone on, but
A lot more
I
is
don't
going to
know.
happen.
yeah.
Barely scratched the surface.
Solid. Sounds like it's good to go. I scared. We don't have any towels in here if we need them. The real tester, though, is the shower. Oh my god, look, it went down. No standing water.
If I'm correct in saying this,
It's a miracle!
it's a miracle. Thanks for watching, bitches.